Welcome to the world of graphic design, where you will need to use your creative skills in order to come up with visually appealing designs. What then is graphic design? You find graphic design everywhere you look. It could be on websites, it could be book covers, it could be movie posters, it could be packaging, it could be anything that requires you to be able to communicate visually. And this drives me to the definition of graphic design. What exactly is graphic design? Graphic design is a form of visual communication, the keyword being visual communication, used to convey a message or information to an audience. There has to be an audience in order for you to come up with creative ideas. There has to be an audience if you want to come up with visually appealing designs. You need to be able to visually represent an idea while relying on the creation and selection and organization of visual elements. What does that mean? You need to be able to put together visual elements in order to communicate a specific message. And what exactly are visual elements? Visual elements could be colors, typography, pictures, icons, forms that you're going to use on your design canvas to create a design solution that is going to effectively communicate to that audience. So what exactly does a good design solution do? A good design solution should be able to persuade, it should be able to inform, identify, motivate, organize, brand, locate, engage, carry, or convey many levels of meaning. And from this side, I'm going to tell you that graphic design is very relative. What I see, for example, when interpreting a specific logo might not be exactly what a target audience or a member of your audience might see, might not be exactly what another designer is going to see. But the key word is that you should be able to communicate effectively with the various visual elements you're going to use on your designs. When you look at the famous designs, famous billboards, what kind of emotion does it evoke in you? What exactly does design do to an audience? The design should be able to effectively persuade. It should be able to effectively inform the audience. Your design should be identifiable. Your design should be able to motivate people to perform a specific action. And your design especially needs to fit into a specific brand. The billboard on the left tells you all. It's persuading, it's informing, it is identifiable. If you notice or look at this billboard from any region, you will know that it belongs to McDonald's. It is motivating and it has a specific brand. Everything I mentioned that could appeal to an audience physically or emotionally. To become an effective and a good designer, you need to be able to understand the color theories. You need to understand what exactly are primary, secondary, or tertiary colors. And you need to understand typography, the different typefaces, classifications of type, how to combine different font types, and when not to use a specific font. You might think graphic design is all about creating flyers, designing random logos, and so on. And you won't be wrong for thinking that. But you should, however, take note of the fact that graphic design is all about using a creative process to come up with effective design solutions for whatever target audience your designs are tethered to. Irrespective of the branch you might find yourself working as a designer, be it print, environmental designer, web designer, a branding expert, your goal will always be to visually communicate, and you will get to see how to apply this in the subsequent videos.